Is that done? Are you done?
Oh, make more faces.
Okay. What should I do? I don't know what else to do.
You have plenty of faces. What are you talking about?
One face called Maria's face. Like that. That's enough.
It's enough.
I just...
What the hell?
Time to shave. Watch this. Oh, new razor. Awesome. I'm a new man. Back on the old facial hair wall. So,
Facial hair wall.
yeah, whenever I shave my face, I put the remaining hairs on that wall bookshelf.